Hi everyone, today I'm sharing with you my minimal makeup routine. I start out by applying some eye cream to my under eye area to brighten the area up. I'm keeping it really light on my face and only applying some of this Rose Petals rose water. It moisturizes my skin and hydrates, but it's not too heavy, so even on a hot day, I get the hydration I need, but I don't need to feel like I'm wearing anything heavy on my skin. I'm keeping it really simple and using this CoverGirl Clean Matte BB Cream in light medium. I'm just basically applying this as my foundation today. It feels a lot lighter than foundation, still has the great coverage though. And instead of using concealer today, I'm just going to double up on the BB cream, applying it a little extra to the areas that need it the most so that I still have enough coverage. To set everything, I'm just going to use my Coty Airspun powder and apply this, especially focusing on the areas that tend to get oily the most. For my brows, I'm going to do them as usual with my eyebrow powder from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Eyeshadow is super simple. This is just going to be a very nude natural look. Applying a nude natural color all over my lid from the Urban Decay Petite Heat palette. And then I'm just going in with a shade that's just a hair darker but still a very natural nude shade and applying that in the crease. Then to blend everything out, I'm just going back in with that first nude shade under the brow and all over the lid. Now I'm going to do my eyeliner. I'm using this Lunar liner from Seraphine Cosmetics, just lining as close to my lash line as possible and then just drawing on a little baby wing at the end. This step is optional, but I want to use this e.l.f. eyeliner in black, and I just want to line it only along my waterline for a little more definition. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes and get ready for mascara. I'm using the Thrive Cosmetics mascara. I got this in an Ipsy bag, and it is in the shade Bryn, which is just black. This mascara is okay. It's definitely not my favorite mascara, but it does the job pretty well and it does separate the lashes out pretty nicely. So I'm just going to apply this to my upper lashes and my lower lashes. For my blush, I'm using this blush from Wet n Wild in Pearlescent Pink. It's a really lovely blush that is a dupe for the NARS Orgasm blush. Now I'm just going to use this Tarte Jelly Glaze lip gloss as my lip color. It's a very hydrating kind of lip gloss. Don't really want to do anything too special here because we are keeping it very minimal. And that's the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's really simple. I hope you'll try it out at home. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment this video. Thanks for watching.